What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Project D, and today I got another special video for you guys. Today we're going to be working on the hatch. As you guys can see, we got it right here. But if you guys can't tell by the name of the title, we are going to be doing a front end swap. You guys can get a little sneak peek at some of the stuff we got right here. And yeah, here I had to grab the camera real quick, but here's a better look at the stuff we bought. If you guys can see, we got all the stuff we need right here. So to do the front facelift, I guess the conversion or the kit, you're going to need a whole new front end basically. As you can see, everything, so the lights, the hood, the fenders, and the bumper, because although they might not look too different, there is some differences, so you are going to be required to get all of that. Oh, and you can't forget the grill, because the grill is detachable. So this is everything you're going to need. Another thing about the 99 to 2000 front facelift is that it looks a lot more aggressive than in comparison to the 98 to 96 front end. So that's one of the main reasons why I actually wanted to get this front end. And yeah, I mean, it looks pretty cool, and I get to buy new parts for the car, so I guess it's a win-win. And I'm gonna just be walking you guys through kind of what you guys need to do in order to take it off. Yeah, I hear that car in the background, but I'm gonna just go through everything you're gonna need to do, where all the bolts are at, you know, and just everything required in order to do the change. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so to get started, all you're really gonna need, first and foremost, is always put on some gloves. So, you know, I got these green nylon gloves. I think I bought them from Harbor Freight, if you guys seen on the previous video. So just put on your gloves. And pretty much everything that just holds all the bolts and everything together, or it's just a simple 10 millimeter. So it's just a simple 10, and you just need any kind of ratchet, maybe a little extension, just to get the bolts that are kind of stuck on there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so to get started, you want to take off the thing that's, I guess, easiest to take off first. Things are going to vary for everybody, but for me, it's going to be my bumper, because I just have these quick release bumper holders just holding onto it that I just put a zip tie. So it's all about just cutting this one off and this one off, and then yeah, the bumper just comes off. So I'll be taking this off first. All right, so we're on the passenger side now, and it's just the same thing, just a quick little snippet, take off the little zip tie, and boom, we have no more bumper. Look, it came off. So let me take this off, and then let me pop open the hood and start taking off the hood. Bye bye. All right, so now you just want to pop open the hood first. Just make sure you know to pull the hood hinge so it lifts up, and then lift it up. There is only 4 bolts holding it on right here on the hood hinge right here. There's 2 right here, and there's 2 right here. So we'll just be taking this off, and then the hood should just come off. So you're not gonna see me do that. Righty tighty, and then it's lefty loosey. Just like that, you just take off a bolt. So I just took off the bottom one from the other side. I'm gonna take this one off because I don't want to take it all off on that side and then just have the hood just fall on me. So I'm gonna take the bottom one off, and then I'm gonna take the top one off the other one, and then yeah, we should be fine. All right, so whenever you guys decide to change your hood or anything, make sure you have somebody on standby to help you out, because the hood almost just fell on me, and that shit wasn't funny. That shit almost killed me. So, but we got it off, as y'all can see. We got it off. Now it's all about taking the 2 fenders and the headlights, and yeah, we should go from there. So for the fenders, there is just a couple 10 millimeter bolts. There's one right here, 2, 3. There's one right here. I gotta open the door here, and if I'm not mistaken, there should be 2 down here. So yeah, it's just about taking this, and then you could pop out this fender and the other one, and the headlights, and then yeah, it's all about installing the new ones. So let's go. And then, like I did mention, we have another bolt right here inside like the door. So this is actually connected to the fender, so I need to take this off. You just got to open the door all the way, and you should have clearance in order to get this bolt. So let me just take that off real quick, and then the bottom ones, and this fender's off. So like I mentioned, for this one, you just want to, you know, dismount the side skirt a little bit in order to give you clearance to these two bolts right here. And then, yeah, that's the only thing that's holding up the bumper. I mean, the fender. Damn. So let me just take this off, and then it should all come off. I took the fender off, but it seems like I lied to y'all. So there actually is another bolt holding on the fender to the light. So for the lights, only these 3 bolts, this one right here, and these 2 upper ones right here. So I'm gonna just take these 2 off. I'm gonna take them off real quick, and then just pop out this headlight. And then, yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. And then that should be it for this old front end. I guess I'm just a liar because there's another one on the inside pushing that holds it in place. Let me take this off. Alright, so as y'all can see, we got one half of this side done. The driver's side, we got it all off. We got the hood, the fender, the light, the bumper. And here's the passenger side, so we just need to take the fender, the light, and then putting on the new stuff. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so as y'all can see now, we took off everything. Everything's off the car. Both fenders, the bumper, both headlights, and the hood. And this is how it kind of looks. I don't know, it looks a little scary like this. Imagine. I don't know, it looks like it's turboed or something. Turboed. But I'm about to slap everything on, all the new stuff right here. It's just the old bumper, but I'm gonna slap on all the new stuff. And yeah, let's see how different the car looks, guys. Putting on this brand new headlight. put on the other one. All right, so we got both headlights installed now. The car's already looking 10 times better with the brand new headlights, so you know, really excited. It looks a lot meaner. So we're gonna put on the fenders right now. Then I'm thinking about putting on the hood, and lastly the bumper and the grill. I need to change this one now. This is the old one, so let me go take this off. So we got the first fender installed. I'm gonna just overlay them, just install them for now, and then I'm gonna fuck with the fitment and everything a little bit later. But yeah, check it out. We got the headlight and the fender on. Looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna just put the other fender on, the hood and the bumper, and then yeah. All right, so I actually put on the new hood as well. Like I said earlier, you know, make sure you have somebody to call in order to help you. So I had my dad and my sister come out and help me. That's why I didn't record that little part. But you can see the little panel gaps we have right now. That's still because I got to line everything up and make sure everything looks flush. Look at this side. This side looks pretty good. But this side, it looks way too open right here. So either way, I'm still put on the grill and then the bumper. And I think I'm gonna call it a day because it is getting quite dark. I don't know if you guys can tell by the I guess the lighting changing and everything. But I'm gonna just put on the new bumper and the grill, and then yeah, maybe tomorrow I'll start messing with the fitment a little more, make sure everything looks flush, everything looks good. But hey, the car's looking so much better, guys. Look, y'all fuck with it, I'll fuck with it. So yeah, let me just slap that on, and then we'll see how everything turns out. All right, so I just got the bumper right now just mounted on. It's not bolted on or anything. It doesn't have any clips, but I don't know, I'm kind of having some issues aligning everything, but I think that's also due to me just putting everything on, not actually lining everything up. But I mean, here's how it's looking right here. As you guys can see, it's looking pretty good, I'm not even gonna lie. I got the hood a little bit open, so that's why it looks like that. But yeah, there's a little bit of alignment issues, but I feel like tomorrow, after I fully, you know, take a look at the car, try to fix every little panel gap and everything, everything's gonna look a lot better. So yeah, I mean, we'll go from there. I'm gonna just put on the grill, just tack up the bumper for now so it doesn't fall, and yeah, I'll show you guys the finished product. Here's our new grill. Okay, my bad, I had some little issues. I don't know why the hell I was just tweaking it, but it's right there. So all I gotta do is just put these little retaining clips that I saved from the last one. So we just pop them in so we can get a better idea of how everything will look. Should be all. All right, guys, so as y'all can see, we finished with the hatch right here. This is how it's looking like. It's not the final product. We still need to fix the panel gaps and whatnot, but for the most part, it's pretty much on. That's how it's gonna look. So hey, we got a pretty good idea of how it's gonna look, and I think it looks amazing. Let me know what you guys think. We have a lot of new things and other things that we're gonna be installing to the car. So yeah, just stay with me and we'll be seeing what else goes put on.